This match is based on the 1986 FBI Miami shootout. You will start inside from the vehicle with your 6 rounds. You will engage 3 shots each. The 2 farthest targets down there on the right. Okay, from inside the vehicle. This represents a no-shoot. You're not supposed to hit this guy. If you do, you get a hit on non-threat target penalty. Once you've fired all 3 rounds, you will put your rifle down. Okay, now there's places you can do it. You can put it on the floor, you can put it on the seat with you, or you can even put it on the dashboard if it'll fit. But you must put your empty rifle down. Then you will climb out of this window onto the table and over. Okay? Once you're on the outside of the vehicle, you will retrieve your rifle from wherever it's located. You can usually reach in and pretty much grab it from anywhere. Proceed to the rear of the vehicle, and you will engage these 3 targets with your rifle. Then, at that point, once you've addressed those 3 targets, you will move to the bench here, bring your rifle. Set your rifle here, pick up your handgun with your weak hand. Okay? This is a weak hand only. Again, this target, 3 rounds from your weak hand, best 2 hits count. At start, you must retrieve your firearm from seated position, and then bullet engage with 6 rounds into this target here. Okay? This is a downloaded stage. Your gun will be downloaded to 6 rounds. You have 1 6-round reload on your person. So that steel plate is your target. It's a bill drill, basically. 6 rounds into that steel plate, reload, 6 rounds of that steel plate, all from seated. Then you must reload one of your magazines or your firearm with 6 loose rounds of yours that will be placed in this box. The RO will load them in this box. Once you load your firearm, you then will set it on the dash for safety purposes, exit the vehicle, recover it, and then engage again from over the hood. Around. Second string, or the first string, depending on the order, you will begin seated with your back to the tire. You have 1 arm completely wounded, your weak arm. You will sit here and engage all 5 plates. You will have to hold the gun between your knees, pump it with your strong hand, shoulder it. You may use the vehicle to rest. Fire 1 shot at a time. Alright? Once you are done with this, you will rise. Okay, your gun is loaded with 6 rounds. Okay, another downloaded part. You will maneuver around the vehicle. Advance on these targets, 3 rounds each. Okay? Starting position is behind that closed barrel. Okay, this is a rifle-pistol combo stage. Okay? You will start with your rifle fully loaded at the rear barrel. Using the rear barrel as cover, you will engage each of those targets with 3 rounds each. Okay? You get to the second barrel. Again, re-engage 3 rounds each with your rifle. All your sidearms engage from that little barrel. Again, 3 rounds each with your pistol. Then you move with your pistol, advance to the 3rd barrel. As you're moving, if you want, engage those 2 barrels. Or you may wait until you get to the barrel and engage from cover. What's that? 3 hits simulates being in the driver's seat of a vehicle. So you're going to be positioned with your pretty much centered right on this red part of the wall here. This is a combo. This is a rifle. There will be a pistol and a rifle. So you start with a sidearm, a single string of fire with a sidearm, reload, string of fire, then they'll start the clock again. Same thing with a rifle. Okay? The gun and your reload will be on this barrel. Okay? Real simple. Okay? When you're doing your pistol, your pistol's here on the barrel and your reload's on the barrel. Stay seated and seated all the time. So grab the sidearm, shoot, reload, shoot. Okay? And that's the end of the first string. It'll redo the timing again for rifle. This is a reduced load. Okay, here's the kicker. While shooting, while seated, you must wear these. Blacked out. These are the fatal vision for moderate breath alcohol concentration of 0.07 to 0.10. We are not advocating intoxication while shooting.